little video on a move that I quite like, and it never occurred to me to make a video about it until recently when somebody said, "What's that?" And I said, "This?" And they said, "Yes, that." And I said, "I don't know, it's just this thing that I always do." And they said, "What's it called?" And I said, "I don't know." So I invented a name, which is cushion reject. Cushion reject. I have been doing this since Andy Hinnick-Schmidt, hi Andy, visited me in Vancouver like in 2004 or something. And he showed me this. These sort of back the hand stalls. And I thought that was really cool and fun. And we geeked out on it, and it became this, where you're stalling with both hands. Pretty simple idea that just takes some finesse. It begins split time, same direction. Each poi hits the other hand, which is the tough part for most people, because you need your planes really straight or even a little inverted, kind of coming towards you. Typically, one will hit and the other won't. Now they're split time, same direction, so the inward poi will come down to hit the other hand. The outward poi will hit the other hand from the bottom. And that's a breakthrough you need first. So when they both hit, and that's ugly, just to hit, but that's how it starts. Just before it hits, you move with the poi to absorb the movement. Absorb. And with practice, you can absorb further and further until you're really twisting your arms up, which gets a little awkward. So I just absorb to about halfway, halfway. And I really like to try to catch the poi coming around, which was, they say, my blue poi inwards as it comes back up. Okay, the green one, I try to catch it. And the trouble, I've never quite figured out what to do with the other poi. So ideally, I guess I'd like to make it do a perfect one little wobble and then reverse, wobble, reverse, catch, reverse. When I went to England, and of course there's other people, Andy and I were not the only people to come up with this. I've seen lots of other people invent it themselves, and somebody even showed me where they took it and they did air wrap the cushion, air wrap the cushion, air wrap the cushion, and they could air wrap cushion really well, and I never got very good at that. So I'm sure there's other names. If you know another name for this move, post it in the comments, because that's just my temporary name, cushion reject, because I didn't know what else to call it. These are Playpoi with capsules 2.0. If once in a while I come to Playpoi, go to the gear section. I'm always reviewing my favorite gear, and there's referral programs that you save money, and it also supports what I do with Playpoi. And Playpoi is also where you find all kinds of other stuff, like the photography I do, etc. I hope wherever you are is as pretty as this.